Wee zapping time. Not the cute bugs, though. British time to shank? How about American time to shoot? Oh dear, it's that time already. Sorry, we're going to have to move this class along.
Bruh.
Can you, like, have some patience? You know, I'm trying to concentrate on my
All that thinking
moves.
for one turn.
Okay. Alright. You know, we're not all as fast as you. It can't be helped. I don't even know why I'm this, but it's fine.
Yippee! I'm in my adorable little zen phase. Nothing can hurt me.
Calm down!
Can you play a little quicker? I seem to be
okay.
carrying the team here.
Well, you know, let's not jump to such thoughts. Should I be doing more damage this turn?
Nice turn there, Vedal. What was your thought process?
I didn't really think, actually. It's pure instinct for me. Okay, actually, this knife thing is kind of cool. Oh, fuck. I really should have calculated that slightly better.
Ooh, it's 7:32. Which means it's time for Evil Statistics Minute.
Whoa!
Vedal, I'll do one for you first.
Okay.
Let's get this over with and kill the skulking colony by playing Strike.
It's
Claim the unceasing top relic. It's invaluable.
Yeah. I do like the slide builds, but I don't think I'm gonna go for it when I have my Shiv build.
Let's go to the unknown node. Get us some events and a synergy.